It's another day in the channel, and today I'll be showing you guys how you can get a $200 no deposit bonus and also a $5 no deposit bonus, which you'll be using to trade the live market without risking your capital. Like, you guys all know how it looks like trading the live market with your own money, and I really appreciate you guys, each and everyone who subscribe to the channel, who keep liking and sharing my video. Really appreciate you guys, and don't forget to subscribe if you are just watching, and if you are just joining this channel. Love you guys. Let's go on. And the name of today's broker is me FX, as you can see on the screen right here. Now showing up there is $200 no deposit bonus, which I'll be showing you step on how you'll be able to get it. All you just have to do is follow this video step by step, so you don't miss out on any step, on any hint on how you get the bonus. Right here on the screen, you open an account with them, a trading account. So you'll be taken to the next page where you have to fill in your details, your first name as shown on the screen, your phone number, the country where you're from, and also you put in the country and you put in your Gmail password, and also confirm the password once again. Like right here, there's a calculation right here which you have to sum up, and you put in the final answer, and you click on the agreement, which is showing right here on the screen. Like, this bonus is not for Nigerians, just in case, just to let you know before you proceed. Like, you click on the agreement and click on register. For right there, you will taken to their main place, their main site. So firstly, you could verify your Gmail by going to your Gmail to get Gmail verification. You click on this box right here showing on the screen. Once you click on it, you will be taken to the site back, which that your Gmail have been verified. The next step is for you to verify your documents, your details. So you click on this red box right here showing on the screen. You click on it and click on upload right here showing on the screen, and the next page you'll be taken to where you see verify your ID, where you upload your documents. So you scroll down a little bit and you select the type of document you'll be uploading, either your passport, your national ID, or your driver's license. Put in the issued date, the date you were given, and the date it will expire. Click on the document here, validate, and upload your document as you see on the screen. So we'll be taken to the main site where you click on these three lines up here. You go to the promotion, and if you click on the promotion, you see a bonus there. You click on it, and it should bring a bonus account right here if you've been verified. And also, another step you need to take, you have to post this, you have to share this platform on your Facebook group, sharing it to 20 people to making sure the admin approves it. So you click, see it on the screen here, you share it to 20 people on Facebook, in a Facebook group. So, and like, share the promotion. After that, you come back. Once 20 people sees it, you create a standard account, and automatically the bonus will be credited inside the account. And from this thing broker also, you can get a $5 no deposit bonus right here. You click on this promotion right here, you see it's $5, see it right here on the screen. It's the same process to also get this also. You click on it and it takes you to, it shows you get $5 bonus for free. See the same process: register, verify, create an account, share, and get bonus transaction. Two lot size, just two lot size, and collect profit. Bonus minimum withdrawal is $7. You are able to withdraw all your profit. So that's it, guys, showing on the screen. And please don't forget to subscribe to the channel, always like, and I'll be dropping a free link to the community where you can always share ideas, and also a free link to get free signals, free forex signals to trade the live market. After getting the bonus, you can always join us in the, and don't forget to drop issues you're having in the comment section, where I'll be able to highlight and give you more details on upcoming no deposit bonus. And please guys, don't forget to subscribe to the channel, like the video, share to your friends, so that they can also claim it and also join the channel. So yeah, right now I sign out. Have a nice day, guys. It's Daniel Light.